Hi everyone, my name is Fiona from the University of Maryland University College Data Analytics Program. I'm taking the class Data 620, that's Data Management and Visualization, that's for the summer of 2017, instructed by Professor Majed Al-Gandar. In this short video, I'm going to talk about and time series analysis on American Time News. As you can see, I'm using Tableau for this analysis and I've already uploaded my dataset. So we're going to look at the storybook that I created that shows how these different variables impact American time use. And the first variable we're going to look at is how food and drink preparation and caring for children impact American time use. As you can see, I used a line graph for this, and I also included color to differentiate the variables. In general, females spend a lot more time on carrying out these activities as compared to males. You can see I included a trend lines to give me more insight of the analysis. And food and drink preparation as trending upwards, while caring for children is trending downwards. This makes sense considering the fact that as a family grows larger, they'll spend more time preparing food and drinks. And as children grow older over the years, parents will spend a lot less time caring for them. I also included a prediction for about 7 years. This analysis was done from a period of from 2014 to from 2004 to 2010. So my prediction shows the next 7 years, and this shaded area show that there's a 95% confidence that my predicted data will lie within this shaded area. We also see our p-value and r-squared values have been computed, and a small p-value, as the smaller the p-value and the larger the r-squared value, shows that the data is fit for the model. Um, the next graph you're going to look at is how sports impact American time use. As you can see, in general, males spend a lot more time on sports activities compared to females. I also included trend lines and predictions for this graph. The next table in the next graph you're looking at is a bar graph that shows how employment status, education level, and education level impact American time use for only those who are employed. As you can see, the higher the education level, the higher the earnings, and the higher the education level, the higher the earnings, with doctoral and degree professors being the highest. Um, there's something interesting about the weekly hours worked. As you can see, the higher the earnings, as the years go by, the lower the weekly hours worked. This is a pretty interesting insight. And then my prediction is a steady shows a steady growth in all the along the predicted years. This shows me that my prediction is not really the this model is not giving me a good prediction. Maybe the data is not giving me a good analysis. The next thing we're going to look at is socialization and relaxing. As you can see, most of the highly educated and individuals that are putting in the more weekly hours don't have time to socialize and relax. As you can see, the purple dots show socialization and relaxing, and we don't see any purple dots for bachelor degree holders who are males and are doctoral degree holders or professor degree holders. And we also see that these people earn the most. The darker blue line show the highest earnings, as you can see from the filter in the right corner, top right corner. The last graph that we're going to look at is a bar chart showing the general overview of the measures and how they impact American time use. As you can see, it's pretty evident that females spend a lot more time on activities like housework, food and drink preparation, and caring for children compared to males. And males earn a lot more than females, as shown in these brown bars. Um, I got this data set from the Big Data University data set, and I also got some information from the Journal of Economic Perspectives. Such an analysis can be vital. It can be beneficial for economic analysis and labor and statistical analysis. You're looking at things like employment level and a number of hours worked, and how individuals balance work and socialization and taking care of the family. It's very good for economic analysis. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.